Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gaurav. I'm an artist and instructor, and today we're going to talk about why should you draw daily. One of the things that most artists struggle with is daily drawing practice. Either you don't get the time, you're not in the mood, you have to complete other important tasks, you have to play with your dog, you can't find the right place for you to sit and draw, you don't know what to draw, or you are just too tired to even think about making any arrangements which can actually make it easy for you. I'm sure there is no artist who would deny the benefits of consistent practice. But still, majority of us lose the battle against procrastination. How to draw daily is a big question, but I think why to draw daily is a bigger one. So let's try to list 5 reasons for why to draw daily. Number 1, there are no shortcuts. I wish I could tell you a trick to magically multiply your practice hours and speed up your growth as an artist. But I'm sorry, I can't. Actually, no one can. There are no shortcuts. You have to give in the hours and stay consistent. It takes time to become good at something. And it's a competitive industry. You may not be drawing today, but someone else is. And they are even getting better at it. Number 2, drawing is like food. Yes, just like you need to eat food daily for your physical growth, you also need to draw daily for your creative growth. You can't eat a week's food in one day and then remain hungry for the rest of the week. That would make you physically sick. Similarly, drawing for 7 hours straight in one day and then not drawing for the next 6 days would make you creatively weak and sick. Instead, just like a balanced diet, drawing daily in small proportions can really help you to maintain your creative health. Number 3, overcome fear. The fear of a blank paper or blank canvas scares every artist. The fear of failure can keep you away from making efforts. Most beginner artists are scared of bad drawings and they only wish they could somehow draw amazing things so that they don't feel embarrassed in front of other good artists. Trust me, no artist has ever reached a point of excellence without going through a multitude of failed attempts. It is important to keep trying and allowing yourself to fail and learn. That's how you move ahead on the path and grow with your experience. Number 4, to create a mental library. No one is a born artist. Yes, we all have different levels of creativity, and all of that comes from how well do you cater to your interests. One needs to learn and develop skills to become better and work as a professional. The best way to improve your drawing skill is to observe the world around you with curiosity and be sensitive to your daily experiences with people, nature, objects, and so on. A daily drawing habit encourages you to observe better with time. It improves your retention power and you create a mental library of nuances about people's behavior, their personality, and their actions. You also know how trees look, how different objects look, and so on. You use this library to describe ideas visually. You can always use more references to develop an idea further. Number 5. The law of action. You must have heard about the law of attraction, but that only works when it is combined with the law of action. You must take action in order to move closer to your goals. Daily conscious action in the direction of your goal builds a momentum and gives you the confidence to reach for the big dreams. When you draw daily and you notice your weaknesses, it gives you a chance to focus on the important aspects of drawing one at a time. If you develop a habit of mindful practice, you will notice a gradual but promising improvement in your drawing. Now just pick up that pencil and start drawing.
Take it easy. Drawing daily doesn't mean you have to make perfect drawings and post them on your social media. This is for your own practice. Keep it personal. When you feel you've made something good, you can share it online. Even when you think that you haven't made a good drawing, it can sometimes prove to be liked by people. You never know. There is a wide variety of audience, and you cannot judge every drawing by yourself. Practice every day and you will see the improvement. There will be bad drawings, there will be better drawings, and there will be some amazing drawings. So don't worry. Just show up every day and do your practice. You will experience the journey by yourself, and one day you will realize how important it has become for you to keep the routine going, and it will also build a confidence in you which will help you to move further on your creative path. There can be tough times during your practice. You may be stuck in some of the drawings and you don't know how to improve. Take small breaks during that time. Try taking a break for a day or two, not more than that. Do other things. Get back your interest and get back a fresh perspective towards your drawing.
We'll talk more about drawing and painting in the future videos. Make sure you subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and also ring the bell so that you don't miss any future videos.